Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Car Salvage 101. Right, so this is, we could get confusing here, so this is the car that is going up for sale shortly. Did a video a couple of weeks ago, and my plan is to clean it and just get it completely finalised, ready to go. I've also said, and I'd promise, I'd get the other half's car done as well. You can see that's actually probably worse. So we're going to work on the wheels and just give it a bit of a tidy up as well. So just going to probably maybe put it on a bit of a time lapse. We're just going to get this basically sellable. So that is today's video, basically. Exciting stuff. So yeah, let's crack on with it. Just done the Iron X fallout. It's really bad on this one, actually. Really shows up a lot on this grey, especially down the side here and around the door. I mean, that's particularly bad, isn't it? And that's just all over the car as well. Really bad. Anyway, let's get this off before it sets too much. Right, I've done the missus' car. I'm not gonna, secret, I'm not really gonna put a massive amount of effort into it. I've done the wheels, it looks white again, but yeah, so I'm happy with that. She'll be happy with that, let's be honest. So let's put these down. So that white one is done. Grey one, pretty much nearly there. Just done the wheels. But they're really not that soiled that much, so I'm quite happy there. Just going to let this just dry off a bit, and then yeah, not sure about if we're going to need any tar remover. No, it's not too bad actually. Yeah, just working out whether or not I put a coat of like a ceramic spray on coat so that it beads quite nicely. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, we might do that. I'll see if I've got some stuff, and then I've just got to brush down that wheel, and then yeah, just clear up marks like this. So yeah, we're pretty much there with that one, nearly. Okay, quick check of the spreadsheet. This owes me just over two grand with everything. So yeah, not really sure what I'll put it on for, but I think it'll be under 3. What was it, Cap D, isn't it, from a number of years ago. Right, so we've done that one, we've done the white one. It's been a long ass day. Haven't even, do you know what, I've not even washed this one ever since it arrived, and the only reason is because I want to get the alloys done, and when the alloys are done and look good, then I'll do the rest of the car. But yeah, but that's another video for another day. Also, the other half can't reverse such a large car in, so she's had to drive it into the driveway. Yeah, anyway, right, that will be it. Hopefully this will be long gone and sold by the time this video comes out. Oh, I thought that would be over quite quick, but it wasn't. Oh god, it's also just sticky weather. Anyway, we are done. We have added the ceramic coat to it. I've tightened up the wheels. We've done the inside. The only thing I haven't got or done is mats. So we're still missing mats really, but other than that, yeah, the inside has been also detailed as well. So there we have it. She's now been cleaned. Just need to go and take some photos of it, and she will go up for sale. Turned out right in the end, I think. Right, so gone for a slightly different area for my photos, and yeah, we are all good. I think we're all good. I just noticed that. What's that down there? Not sure what that is. Anyway, you can see it's all good. So I've taken the photos. Probably only thing I'm going to do now actually is, now we're sort of in a bit more sunlight, even though I did the seats, these seats are an absolute arse. So I'm probably just going to give those another going over, I reckon. But yeah, so that is all good. It's all ready to be sold. Just need to give it a proper, I think just a very light microfiber towel over it, and then we're good to go. So there you have it. Wish me luck with selling this one, and I'll see you all again very soon.